how to limit email volumes by mailbox provider. If you get warned or blocked by a provider, it's often a good idea to limit or control the volume to send to this ISP. I'm Juliette, I'm marketing manager, and I'm going to show you how to do that. With Mindbaz, you can do this super easily, without having to change your target list. Let's dive into it. Go to the campaign interface and select a campaign. Open the campaign editor and head to the recipients section. Choose the targets you want. In this case, I've got 2 of them. Right below the Calculate button, you'll see Limit Volumes by ISP. Click on it. A window will pop up with a new table. By default, we've already selected some common ISPs, Hotmail, Yahoo, and Gmail. You can customize which ISPs appear in the table using the drop-down menu. Just pick the ones you want to apply limits to. There's also a row that lets you set a global volume limit for the whole campaign. So let's say you want to cap Hotmail at 5,000, Gmail at 2,000, and Orange at 1,000. You just enter those numbers directly. You can also view your campaign segments and divide up the volume for an ISP across those segments if needed. When you hit Calculate, Mindbaz runs the number for all your ISPs and applies the limits you set. Then just close the window. A banner will appear letting you know that limits have been applied to this campaign. It's helpful if someone else jumps in and needs to see that restrictions are in place. You can edit them anytime by clicking the banner again, adjust the limits, add new ISPs, or remove any. And that's it, you're now ready to limit your volume by ISPs and control your deliverability. You can check our tutorials on our YouTube channel if you want to improve your deliverability and master Mindbaz. See you soon.